Hello friends, welcome to Programming Concepts. My name is Amit and today we will talk about free video compressor software. And as the title suggests, free video compressor. So the software I'm going to use in this video will be free of cost. And to demonstrate how powerful and impactful this software is, I select two videos. One is of 2.93 GB ABI file and another one is 708 MB MPG file. So here they are. So the first file, which is ceremony highlight, this video is from our family function recorded by a professional photographer, and this is a highlight video of that function and its duration is 4 minutes and 9 seconds. And if you look at its size, it's 708 MB. And these kinds of file you must be received from your photographer as well, which you would like to share with your family or friends via Facebook, YouTube or WhatsApp. And the second video, record from Hypercam, and this one is recorded from my screen recording software. And while recording screen, so what we want the best possible screen recording as possible, so we put setting at its maximum level, which eventually leads to a high quality screen recording video file, but file size grow exponentially. So if you look at its length, it's hardly 50 seconds, and if I right click on this and click on properties, this file is 2.93 GB. And what we had committed in our thumbnail, that we compressed this file from 2.93 GB AVI to 1.21 MB MP4 and 708 MB MPEG to 76.1 MB MP4 file. So this is what we are going to do. So let's compress and make them social app friendly videos. So let's download this software. So what you need to do here is you need to type a URL https://video.compressor.software. So either you can directly write it down in your browser, or I will put that link in my description, so you can copy from there and paste it. So once you click on it, it will redirect you to Winsoft Magic's website. So this video compressor is from this company. So if you look at their screen, on the right hand side you can see there is a download button. So you don't have to put your personal detail like mobile number, etc, etc. So it directly gives you a link to download this software. For some reason, when I search it on Google, this video compressor is not on the initial list of Google search engine. Not sure why, but this software is quite good. So let's download this. So it will not prompt you for anything, just click on it and download this software. So it's hardly of 10 MB, so it will download quickly. So just double click on it and install the software by yourself. I'm not going to do this. So once you install this, this is how it's look. So this is its logo. Click on it. So this is how its UI look. So without wasting much of your time, just quickly open these videos. And you have two options there. So first option is just pick this and directly drag and drop to this UI. So we edit there. Second option is you can browse it from option menu. So you can click on it and browse as per your convenience. So whatever suits you, just put this video there. So both these videos has been attached to this software. So in the first option you can see general video compressor option. So in this option you can select the file format. So I'm going to select MP4 only there. And another option is video frame size. So by default I just leave it to original because my video is of full HD, so I don't want to change that. So if you want to change to any specific format, you can change it here, or you can just define the custom setting as well. So I leave it there, nothing additionally we have to do it. So if you look at the second option, video codec, video bitrate kilobit per second. So it already defined it here. The main compression option affect the file size and video quality. So if you look at the bottom, it also defined the recommended bitrate for this file. So if I look at my both the videos, both the recommendation is same in my case. So recommended bitrate is 1080 to 4320. So what this software is expecting you, if you want the maximum possible output in terms of quality, so you can write it down 4320. So eventually after compression, what they are expecting that this file, which is of 708 MB, after 4320, it will be somewhere around 132 MB. And another fun file, 2.93 GB. So they are expecting to be somewhere around 26.7 MB, but this is not what we had committed. So we had committed 2.93 ABI file to 1.21 MB and 708 MB MPEG file to 76.1 MB MP4 file. So let's get back to it. So what we have to do, instead of doing a maximum or the minimum, so if I set it minimum 1080, it leads to a 7, so it varies depending on, so 1080 quality is not up to the mark. So generally what you need to do, you just need to do it somewhere around 2500 to 3500. So this is good enough for you. Generally whenever I compress it with 2500 or 3500, it works good. So I'm selecting 2500 here. So let's compress the first one, which is of 2.93 GB. So let's click on the compress. On the right hand side, you can see there is an option to compress all as well. So this is for paid version only. So if I click on this, this will ask you to buy a license. So if you have to compress, thousands of files, in that case, you can purchase a license. Otherwise, for personal usage, this is, this version is free version is good enough for us. So let's compress on this. So when you click on compress, on the left panel, you can see another file is created. So this is file in making. So it will going to take some time, and eventually you can see the result, which is already compressed to 15.5 MB, and it is still reducing. So I am going to pause this screen recording for a moment because I don't want to waste time. It is going to take more than 1 minute for this video. So let me get out of this. So the process is completed, and after completion it will pop up to you whether you want to buy their license or not. So it's up to you. I'm not going to buy this. So you can see this 2.93 GB file is converted to 1.21 MB file. So this is what we have committed. 2.93 GB AVI file to 1.21 MB MP4. So this is the actual file which has been created. So initially the file size is this much, 3,00 KB, and if you hover this, it's 2.93 GB file. And if you talk about this, this has been 1.2 MB, which is extremely powerful. So if you look at the compression ratio, it is 0%, means it's almost compressed it to 100%. So which is really good. And if let me mute my video. So if I show you the video picture quality, this is the original one. So if you look at that, the picture quality, and if you compare with this one, so it is eventually the same, nothing much has been varied. So this is extremely good compression ratio, extremely good, the quality is also good. So whatever we wanted, whenever we want to upload it on Facebook, we don't want the quality to be reduced. So let's do the same practice on the another file, which is 708 MB. So let's compress it, and after compress I will pause my screen recording because it will going to take somewhere around 5 minutes, so which is more, but obviously this file is recorded by a professional photographer and do whatever compression, whatever best they can do. So everything has been done from your side, from their side. So it will going to take some time. So let's wait for it. Let's see how much it will eventually process. Here we are, video resumed, process completed from 708 MB, from 708 MB MP4 file to 76.1 MB MP4 file. That's what we had committed. So that's it from this video. Try this software by yourself and let me know in comments if quality is up to the mark or not. Till then, thanks for watching.